Hello everyone, this is Angela Tribune speaking. I'm the project coordinator, and I've had the pleasure of collaborating with Framingham State University and Middlesex Savings Bank on this initiative to promote financial literacy for English language learners. The purpose of this project is to incorporate a financial literacy component into Framingham State University's ESL classes to prepare English language learners for personal, academic, and professional success within the context of the United States economy. The process I've been following is this. I began by identifying community resources and investigating their use. This included visiting different financial institutions and local places in the community to find out how people are using the resources in the area, what they're using, and what they're not using. I've been consulting with local financial institutions, including Bank of America, Middlesex Savings Bank, Citizens Bank, and others, as well as places that deal in wire transfers, and speaking to community members, both in and outside of the Framingham State University student body. I'm using quantitative and qualitative data to determine and rank the importance of specific knowledge, skills, and abilities. For those of you who helped us with the survey earlier in the summer, we really appreciate having that information, and in just a few minutes I'll share some of that with you. The intention of this part of the process is to establish a baseline and to ensure that we're providing FSU students with skills that they need to supplement their existing knowledge. The next part of the process is to create curriculum supplements that support the community program learning outcomes, integrating financial literacy components throughout. And this will be done through the use of authentic materials, practical task-based instruction, and multimodal classroom activities that honor the principles of adult learning. The intention is to pilot lessons during fall 2018 and to request both student and instructor feedback and modify the final product accordingly. So as you can see, this is quite a collaborative effort, and the intention is to ensure that everyone has a chance to collaborate and to participate in the production of this product. To give you a sense of which services our students are already using, let's take a look at the summer 2018 survey results. First, we asked the students to describe their level of English. The options were level 1 or 2, 3 or 4. As you can see here, we had 44 respondents on the weekday evenings between Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. There were 18 respondents on Saturday, for a total of 28 students in level 1 and 2, 20 students in level 3, and 14 students in level 4, meaning that we had 62 respondents in total. Parsed survey data is available upon request.